Hey, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Monet, and if not, hey boo, welcome back. So y'all, in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how to take care of my hair while it's under a wig. If you want to see a lot of length retention, if you want to see a lot of growth, it's very important that you remember to show your hair a lot of TLC. Like, not a little bit, you need a whole lot of TLC. You need to treat your hair like a plant. Remember to nourish it and feed it all these good things so that you can promote healthy hair growth. I'm also going to be showing y'all how I braid my hair down to ensure for a very flat install. Because baby, one thing about me, that foundation is everything. Y'all, I need to get a three-way mirror. I really been here struggling trying to find a good angle so that I can see how I'm parting my hair. Like, I'm standing at a weird angle. My camera's sitting at a weird angle. It's all bad. I'm going to get it done though. So we all know your braid down is an important step in the wig install process. This step right here will be a deciding factor on if your install will be flat or lumpy. So please, don't mess this up. The smaller the braids, the better. What helps me make sure that my braids are as small as possible is parting my hair in sections. I'm making 4 sections, and within each section there will be 3 braids. So that's a total of 12 braids. To promote healthy hair growth, I'm going to moisturize my hair before braiding it down. I'm using a leave-in cream from the African Pride brand that I absolutely love. I'm using a very small amount of leave-in cream because I don't want my hair to revert back to its natural state. I'm also focusing more on the ends of my hair because they're the oldest part of my hair, and I want to make sure that I give them a little extra care. The braiding pattern that I'm using is pretty easy to do. I'm using a straight back pattern. So basically what I'll be doing is cornrowing my hair from the front to the back and connecting the braids by the ends. So the first braid is going to be connected to the second braid, and the second braid is going to be connected to the third braid, and so on and so forth. The main goal of braiding this way is to make sure everything is tucked away. Like, I hope that all makes sense. It's actually hard trying to explain how to braid. So for all my girlies that are visual learners, just watch closely. Feel free to rewind or pause the video as many times as you need to. Alright, so I'm about to show you how I connect my braids, so make sure you're paying attention. I'm braiding my hair down a little more than halfway, and I take the end of the previous braid and I feed that in like so. When connecting the braids, you want to make sure you're braiding tight enough so the braid can be secure, but not too tight to the point that you're about to give yourself a headache. I'm going to continue this process throughout the rest of my hair. As I moved towards the middle of my hair, I noticed that my hair felt really dry even though I already moisturized this section. So to fix that problem, I added more leave-in cream to the ends of my hair to make sure every strand of my hair is moisturized while in these braids. My hair will break off so fast if I leave it like this. After connecting all of my braids, I'm left with one braid. I'm not going to leave the braid hanging and dangling though. I'm going to tuck it away so it's secure. It's an open space on the right side of my hair, so I'm going to wrap the loose braid around that area until I can't wrap no more. For more security, I'm taking a needle and thread and sewing down an area where I wrap the loose braid. I do this to make sure my hair doesn't move out of place and to be sure everything is tucked away. final step to this braid down pattern is oiling my scalp. Oiling your scalp is great for scalp health and hair growth. The oil that I love to use is argan oil. Some benefits of argan oil are that it moisturizes your hair and adds shine. Argan oil also protects from breakage and it increases your elasticity. There are really so many different oils that you can use though. Like, it's people out there that's making their own concoctions and add a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So do a little research to see what oil is best for you because everyone's hair is different. I want to make sure the argan oil is penetrating every part of my scalp, so I'm taking my finger and dragging it down each part. I'm also massaging the oil into my edges to encourage some type of hair growth. I tried so many things to grow my edges and nothing has worked. At this point, I'm starting to think it's a genetic issue. If you have any tips on how to grow your edges, leave them down below. I'm also taking some oil and massaging that to my nape area. This is the finished product. Not only is your install about to be flat, this braid pattern is easy to follow and it promotes healthy hair growth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave any comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video.